Ensonga egi yayimikibwa abebembezi b'abakyala ababeetabira mu kiganiro eky'ebyemivuyo omu Bururu n'okwejumba kw'abakyala Omuby'Obutegyeki okutebeekanisibwa ba Minisitule y'ebyobuhangwa bw'abantu emirimo n'enkulaakulana yaabo ururembo rwa Masindi erya Nyakazooba. Sylvia Karungi ali omuhandiiki w'ebyamagara aha disitulikiti kandi kansala yashoborera ngu abakyala nibateekanya mwingi w'empiiha Omuby'Obutegyeki konka bahendera basingirwe. Ekiina kyegamiza aha kuteeka empiiha nyamwingi Omuby'Obutegyeki hamwe n'obworo omu bateezi b'akaruru.
I think is it poverty? Is it each of us free? Maybe. Because on the other hand, I will want to have a car. Now,
Zaina Byencha kansala ahali Masindi municipality yashaba akakiiko k'ebyobururu okujereka esente zibaririrwe Omuby'Obutegyeki ngu kyaba kitali ekyo abateezi b'akaruru ne beija kubihwabihwa okuteerera abebembezi abatalize kubajerera mugasho.
Otherwise, we are going to vote badly in many positions. Kandi igenda kuteeka abakyala abakazi ba Uganda omubizibu ebiri.
Kintu kyeleini tukusaba gavumenti ekirolemu habwokuba kireesire ebizibu bingi okusanga kimino okulala nawo nomukitabu hano asobora even n'okutiina n'okujja kusimba leini kyonka hati haliho bantu ba die hard ogwa kugamba nyo ati kangende nyesimbe habeho kangende nsimbire omuntu ogwo habehoki.
Ekiganiro eki kyaba kitebeekanisibwe okuhajaana aha bizibu eby'abakyala barikushanga Omuby'Obutegyeki hamwe na abiine ebitebyo eby'obusinguzi ebyakubaasa kuhwera abakyala bataahi baabo okwejumbira Omuby'Obutegyeki.
We thought to make this meeting happen mainly to promote women participation in leadership. And because we have seen that women shy away from electoral processes because of the violence involved. We also hoped that our engagement with them will encourage them to actually take up leadership positions without fear of anything.
Omukyala omunyeshengerokazi ahabwa Masindi District Florence Asimwe yashaba abakyala okuguma abigendererwa byabo baruge aha by'obutegyeki eby'oruhuzyo atyo yasiima President Museveni ahabw'okuteekaho embeera nungi era okubasa abakyala kuba basinguzi omu bwebembezi.
The issue is, can you be able to deliver to the people? Do people understand you? Because for me, when I came with my high qualification, I didn't bring that high qualification to the people. No. For me, I brought service. I realized that indeed my people lack some services. So I was looking at that local person.
Honorable Peace Mutuzo at State Minister w'ebyobuhangwa w'abantu hamwe n'ebyenzarwa yashoborera ngu eddiini n'ebyanzarwa nizimwe aha nshonga ezireeteire abakyala okusigara batarikuheebwa kitiinisa nk'okukishemereire. Yashoborera ngu gavumenti eyeheireyo okugumyaho embeera nungi ey'abanyayuganda boona hatariho okushorora kwona.
Gavumenti ya NRM yakagamba ebitu buguruki. Of course kabana kimanya mpango bwetu byari birumu nicyo twikarana nitubazaho. So mukwijja kubaza nabo hano tuza kuinspiringa kubahereza amani kubateka mu muhimbo ngono beraba berohe kutarabaneza twesimbe kandi ensonga tuzibazehoga yitwe nkabakyara obo abana abato basagaza abato barakwata karadiro na TV rundo obusimu obukusitiza buno nayo akasoma nayo kakwati omugaruka mu musoborore
Gasha kwa Innocent atuganyira omuri Masindi.